Hi, one more traffic jam and yet another opportunity to speak with all of you. I got a lady sent me a message in the morning asking me what to do if she's judged often for her conduct, because she's outspoken, she is fun, and lot of people judge her for the way she is. And I was actually, when I hear this, because I have been judged very often, and for all my life, for being the way I am, and I have not cared a damn about it. uh, just because I don't think it ever helped me to care about it. I took the feedback, I took the advice from people, I learned from a lot of people, but I never allowed anybody to come to tell me how I'm supposed to be, and I'm judged for that even now. So I always say big deal. For all the ladies, not just the lady that who sent me a question, but all the other women out there. Let me tell you something very interesting. You are an expression of life. You're not just a woman or a man. You are an expression, right? You understand expression? You are an expression of life. You're not here to be a clone of some people making rules in society and telling you how to live, what to be like. Because what you want to be like is a choice that you will make out of your free will. You can enjoy yourself. You can dance, sing, play, and do whatever you want. Nobody has any right to tell you how. It's your prerogative to go out and see, is that information useful for you? Do you need it? Is it something that helps you become a better person? You have to be allowed by yourself. You need to allow yourself to go out and be yourself so that you can discover yourself. You can be a true expression of who you are. You do not have to listen to everybody. People who are judging you are people who cannot fathom the expanse of who you are, the scope of who you are as a person. And you got to stop listening to such people. You have to stop listening to such people. Believe me, the world out there wants to shut down people of free expression. We need more authentic, true people out there. We don't need clones. We don't need perfection. We need perfection of a human being in himself, herself. And that is the variety that we bring to this world. I don't want to be like you, and you shouldn't want to be like me. You should like to be the best of yourself, and that is what is important. So if people are judging you for your conduct, the little question that you can ask yourself, that is it something that's hurting somebody? Is it something that's bringing anybody down? Is it something that's harming another person? If not, believe me, throw the judgment in the dustbin. You have a dustbin around you, throw it in the dustbin. Call it stupid, throw it away. Don't bother. It's not for you. You don't have to take in everything that's being said over there about your conduct or anything. Be yourself, be authentic, be true. The world needs authentic, true people. We don't need people who are living in this world of perfection as to be seen. Perfection needs to be created in each and every individual. Create your own perfection and enjoy yourself. You know what? I'm going out to celebrate the fast break. I don't fast, but I get to eat all the food every evening. So I'm going to have a good, oh, it's moving. Traffic's moving. Bye-bye.